How to use Roblox Voice Chat feature. To use the Roblox Voice Chat feature, first of all, launch the Roblox application onto your device. Once you open it, you also must be at least 13 years old, pass a mandatory age check, and also toggle the microphone feature in your account settings. So once you verify your age, all you have to do is enable the microphone. So go ahead and tap on these three horizontal lines on the top left corner of your screen. Tap on the setting gear icon or setting option. Head to the privacy and content restrictions option. Once you're here, you should access this communication panel. From here, you simply have to scroll down to the voice data settings. Once you find it, you simply have to turn this feature on. And this is how you can enable the microphone onto your account. Now, to use it within the game, you simply have to head backwards to the home page, then select any of these games which support voice chat. Now you simply have to launch the game by tapping on this play option, and then a microphone icon will hover directly above your avatar's head. Tap the microphone icon above your head to mute and unmute yourself. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.